Hello world, welcome to Living by Abundance, where we learn the key principles and techniques for living life by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Join us as we dive into today's discussion. Boost productivity with the Pomodoro Technique while living by abundance. In our relentless quest for productivity and efficiency, we often find ourselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks demanding our attention. Enter the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method that promises not just to boost your productivity, but to enhance your focus and preserve your energy throughout the day. This simple yet effective technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, has helped countless individuals achieve more by doing less in a structured way. Today, we will explore how this method can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine to help you manage your tasks more effectively. By breaking down work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length followed by short breaks, the Pomodoro Technique creates a rhythm that encourages sustained concentration and staves off mental fatigue. Let's dive into how you can implement this technique to not only enhance your productivity, but also live a life of greater focus and abundance.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that will help you manifest abundance even faster. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle. This bundle includes a 120-day affirmation ebook with 365 printable affirmation cards and a daily affirmation audio and video experience. All of this to help rewire your mindset for your Living by Abundance journey. It all starts with your mind, so get your bundle and start your transformation today at livingbyabundance.com. Now let's get into today's discussion.
What is the Pomodoro Technique? Developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management system that encourages individuals to work in short, focused bursts while incorporating regular breaks. The name Pomodoro is the Italian word for tomato, which Cirillo used to symbolize the kitchen timer he initially utilized to track his work increments. How does it work? The Pomodoro Technique involves breaking work into 25-minute intervals, called Pomodoros, with each interval separated by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, a more extended break of around 15 to 30 minutes is taken. The idea is to create a sense of rhythm and focus by working in short, concentrated bursts with intermittent rest periods. Benefits of the Pomodoro Technique. 1. Enhances focus. By setting specific time increments devoted to one task, the Pomodoro Technique allows us to concentrate solely on the task at hand. The time limit creates a sense of urgency, making it easier to resist distractions and stay focused. 2. Mitigates burnout. The regular breaks incorporated into the Pomodoro Technique counteract mental fatigue. These breaks give our brains a chance to rejuvenate, which can lead to increased efficiency and quality of work. 3. Boosts productivity. The sense of urgency fostered by the Pomodoro Technique encourages us to make the most of the limited time available. This often results in increased productivity and efficiency. 4. Encourages work-life balance. By allocating specific time for work and regular intervals for rest, the Pomodoro Technique promotes a healthy work-life balance. It helps prevent overworking and allows time for personal activities, thereby increasing overall satisfaction and well-being. Implementing the Pomodoro Technique. 1. Choose a task. Before you start using the Pomodoro Technique, it's crucial to select a specific task or project that demands your full concentration. This task should ideally be something that you can make noticeable progress on within a few Pomodoro sessions. Clear and specific tasks work best, such as drafting a report, completing a set of math problems, or processing emails. The key is to have a clear objective for what you want to accomplish during each Pomodoro session, which helps in maintaining focus and measuring progress effectively. 2. Set the timer. The next step is to set a timer for 25 minutes, which is the standard length of one Pomodoro. During this time, your goal is to work with uninterrupted focus. Using a physical timer can be effective as it provides a tangible reminder of the passing time, but digital timers or specialized Pomodoro apps can also be beneficial. These tools often come with features that help track your Pomodoros and can automatically remind you when it's time to take a break, helping to maintain the rhythm of the work-break cycle. 3. Work attentively. Once the timer starts, commit to working solely on the task at hand. Ensure that your work environment is conducive to focus. Minimize potential interruptions by silencing your phone, closing unnecessary browser tabs, and informing colleagues or family members of your focus session. The key here is total immersion in the task, which not only increases productivity, but also enhances the quality of your work. If a distraction or a different idea pops up during a Pomodoro, quickly jot it down on a piece of paper and get back to the task. This period of intense focus is crucial for making the most of the Pomodoro technique. 4. Take a short break. After the timer rings at the end of 25 minutes, it's time to take a scheduled 5-minute break. This brief pause is vital as it helps to prevent burnout and keeps your mind fresh for the next Pomodoro. During the break, do something completely unrelated to work. Stretch, do some light exercise, grab a cup of tea, or simply sit back and close your eyes. The idea is to make these breaks as restorative as possible, so avoid any activity that might be mentally taxing or stress-inducing. 5. Repeat. After completing one cycle of work and break, start the next Pomodoro with the same focused approach. After you have completed 4 Pomodoros, which is roughly 2 hours of focused work interspersed with short breaks, take a longer break ranging from 15 to 30 minutes. This extended break allows more substantial relaxation and mental recuperation. Use this time to detach yourself from work completely. Maybe go for a walk, read a book, or engage in a leisure activity that you enjoy. This longer break is crucial for maintaining high energy levels and focus throughout the day. The Pomodoro Technique is more than just a productivity tool. It's a philosophy of work that encourages you to respect your time and your mental energy. By adopting this technique, you not only boost your ability to focus on tasks, but also learn the importance of taking regular, meaningful breaks that rejuvenate your mind and body. This approach not only increases your efficiency, but also significantly enhances your overall well-being and job satisfaction. Implementing the Pomodoro Technique into your daily routine can transform seemingly overwhelming workloads into manageable, enjoyable tasks. As you master the rhythm of working intensely and resting purposefully, you'll find that you're able to accomplish more with less stress and more joy. So, set your timer, focus deeply, and then relax. Embrace this cycle of productivity and rest, and watch as it leads you to a more abundant and fulfilled life. Did you enjoy learning with us? Don't miss out on future insightful videos for living by abundance. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, we will continue to learn the key principles and techniques for living by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Want more? Make sure to explore livingbyabundance.com to dive deeper into this and other topics, and for more tips and techniques for living by abundance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to continue improving your personal growth and transformation on your journey to living by abundance. You're always welcomed at livingbyabundance.com.
Real quick, let me share something powerful that will support your journey of living by abundance. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle, a powerful 3-in-1 system designed to rewire your thoughts and attract confidence, wealth, health, and success into your life. Are you ready to transform your mindset, elevate your life, and manifest abundance every day in every area of your life? Yes, you can have abundance in every area of your life. This bundle includes everything you need to build an unstoppable mindset for living by abundance. a 120-day affirmation ebook with daily prompts to shift your mindset, 365 printable affirmation cards, one for each day of the year, ready to inspire you, 365 affirmations audio and video experience for daily reinforcement wherever you are. With this bundle, you'll cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude, strengthen self-love and confidence every single day, attract financial prosperity, and improve your health. Boost focus, productivity, and motivation to crush your goals. This is a massive investment in yourself. Don't wait. Your life-changing mindset shift starts today. Get your Living by Abundance Ultimate Bundle and manifest the life you desire. Visit livingbyabundance.com and get your ultimate bundle and upgrade your journey to living by abundance today.
See you soon and keep living by abundance.